Recently, Makar Sankranti has been celebrated. During this period, in Tamil Nadu, there is a festival celebrated, that is Pongal. In this Pongal, there is another festival celebrated, that is Jallikattu. In Jallikattu, people control a bull. Bull are tied from certain rope. So, in this game, the method is to control the bull continuously running, and people is to try to control this bull. So there in this Jallikattu, there is a organization, that is which name is PETA. This organization filed a complaint in Supreme Court with the reference of Prevention of Cruelty of Animals 1960, in which cruelty against animal is a crime. So PETA organization filed this complaint through this reference, that is in this Jallikattu there is a cruelty against animal. So Supreme Court take this petition in his hand and banned the Jallikattu in Tamil Nadu, because this is a violation of Prevention of Cruelty Act 1960. So, but in Tamil Nadu or there are other state, Jallikattu festival is a part of people's culture. People started protest against this judgment. So people start protest against this judgment. So because why this protest has happened, because this Jallikattu is part of their culture. There are certain breed which are preserved from this Jallikattu. It established a it established a it established a balanced relations between animals and peoples. So the ban is prohibited the culture of people. So Tamil Nadu government amend this Prevention of Cruelty Act 1960 and allow Jallikattu festival in Tamil Nadu. So again, Tamil Nadu government amend this Prevention of Cruelty Act, but again PETA organization filed a complaint in Supreme Court regarding this amendment, because this amendment is the violation of Prevention of Cruelty Act 1960. So Supreme Court again upheld this amendment and said this amendment is valid because Jallikattu is a part of people's culture. So this amendment cannot be declared unconstitutional. So this is the issue of Jallikattu. So in my perspective, Jallikattu is part of people's culture, but there is a need to establish a balance between animals' right and humans' culture. So this is issue.